Chinese rescue ships are heading farther south to search for the missing flight MH370, following reports from Australian authorities regarding two unidentified objects that were recently discovered. The rescue vessels Haishun 1 and South China Sea Rescue 101, which were recently searching near Christmas Island after sailing past the Sunda Strait, started moving farther south Friday morning toward the suspicious debris. The two objects are located 2,500 kilometers southwest of Perth. Another two Chinese rescue ships, the Haishun 31 and South China Sea Rescue 115, will also move south from their current location in the Bay of Bengal. 3 Chinese naval vessels are also heading for the southern Indian Ocean. The ships are the amphibious transport ship Kunlun Shan, the missile destroyer Haikou, and the supply ship Qiandaohu. Australian authorities said earlier Thursday that 2 objects have been spotted in the southern Indian Ocean using satellite imagery. They said the objects may be related to Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, which disappeared on March 8th.